Have you ever dreamed of working from anywhere, anytime, and being your own boss? What if I told you that thousands of people are making a full-time income right from their laptops in 2024? Freelancing is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle change that more and more people are embracing. In this video, we will explore how you can earn money online through freelancing in the coming year. Whether you want to supplement your income or replace your full-time job, freelancing offers unparalleled opportunities. So grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes on how to make this happen. First, let's talk about what freelancing is. Freelancing means working independently, providing services to clients on a project basis. In 2024, the freelance market is projected to continue growing at an impressive rate. Let's dive into the steps to get started with freelancing. Step 1. Identify your skills. Take some time to list what skills you possess. These can range from writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, or even administrative tasks. If you're not sure, think about what you enjoy or what you do well in your job or your hobbies. For example, if you love crafting engaging content, copywriting could be your niche. Step 2. Research the marketplace. Now that you know your skills, do some research. Explore platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to see what services are in demand. Browse through existing jobs and take note of the skills that are frequently requested. This will give you insight into potential clients' needs and help you tailor your services accordingly. Step 3. Create your portfolio. A strong portfolio is crucial for attracting clients. Gather examples of your work that showcase your skills. If you don't have any professional work, consider creating samples that demonstrate what you can do. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, create mock logos or designs to showcase your creativity. Step 4. Set up your profile. Whether it's on Upwork, Fiverr, or another platform, it's time to create your profile. Make sure to include a professional photo and a bio that summarizes your skills and experience. Be clear about what services you offer and what makes you unique. Also, don't forget to set competitive rates. Start with lower prices to attract clients initially, then gradually increase as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Step 5. Find your first clients. Start applying for jobs that match your skills and profile. Craft personalized proposals for each job application. Mention why you're a good fit and how you can specifically help that client. Consider being open to smaller gigs to build your reputation. As you complete jobs and receive positive reviews, you'll find it easier to land bigger projects. Step 6. Master your time management. Flexibility is a major perk of freelancing, but it often comes with distractions. Establish a routine that allows you to remain productive. Use tools like Trello or Asana to manage your tasks and deadlines. Setting aside specific work hours can help you balance freelancing with your personal life. Step 7. Build client relationships. Once you land clients, focus on building strong relationships. Communication is key, so stay in touch and ask for feedback. Deliver projects on time and go the extra mile. Happy clients are more likely to offer repeat work or refer you to others. Step 8. Scale your freelancing business. As you gain experience and confidence, consider scaling your business. You might want to specialize in a niche area to stand out. You could also start offering retainers, where clients pay you a monthly fee for ongoing work, providing more stability. Consider collaborating with other freelancers to expand your services. For instance, if you're a writer, partner with a graphic designer to offer complete content packages. Step 9. Keep learning and adapting. The online landscape changes rapidly, so keep learning. Take courses on platforms like Skillshare or Coursera to stay updated with trends in your field. Participate in forums and communities to network and share experiences with other freelancers. Join groups on social media to find support and exchange ideas. Step 10. Manage your finances. Freelancing means you have to handle your income and savings. Keep track of your earnings and set aside money for taxes. Consider investing in accounting software like QuickBooks to make this easier. Setting a budget can help you manage your expenses as well. Freelancing is a fantastic way to achieve flexibility, income, and job satisfaction in 2024. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow your freelance business, I hope these steps will guide you on your journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment with your thoughts or questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on freelancing and making money online. Now is the perfect time to take the plunge into freelancing. What are you waiting for?